Effective communication is key to building lasting relationships with your customers. In this video guide, we'll walk you through the process of seamlessly managing comment templates. Start by logging into your website's admin area. Locate the Settings tab, then click on Order Status, and finally, select Comment Templates. Here, you'll find the tools to create and manage personalized comment templates. You can edit, remove, enable, or disable existing comment templates. Use the quick search function to swiftly locate specific comment templates by name, streamlining your management process. Click the Create New Comment Template button to explore the following customization options. Set status, active or not active. Make the template visible for orders and/or subscriptions pages. Choose sale channels to exclude from display. Specify the manager group for visibility. Exclude specific managers' admin users from display. Craft a unique comment template name. Develop the content of your comment template, incorporating dynamic keys for personalization. When creating the content, consider the tone, clarity, and relevance. A well-written message is the key to your successful interaction with customers and the prosperity of your online business. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more tips on optimizing your online platform.